Guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to come and share a super quick, super easy, super natural makeup look for the girls who prefer, more of the natural looking makeup instead of the whole, beat face, super dramatic looks. Personally, for me, I have been leaning way towards like natural makeup lately. I just don't really like to do a full face of makeup anymore. I don't like myself, honestly, whenever I do it, and I just, on a typical everyday basis, I like to look simple, just look natural, and look like I didn't try too hard. So this makeup look is gonna be super quick, you guys. When I tell y'all it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be really quick. Very little foundation, very little concealer, just all of the above, so that way your skin still shines through. There still may be some imperfections that may stick out here and there with this light amount of makeup, but you will still look like yourself and still feel like yourself. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I want to do, of course, is moisturize my skin, and I actually did that off camera. I used the L'Oreal Hydrogenous Moisturizer. Love that stuff. It's so great for adding moisture back to the skin, but it does keep my skin pretty matte throughout the day. Now I want to go ahead and do my brows on camera, so I'll be using my NYX micro brow pencil. You guys know this is pretty much all that I use, and it takes little to no time to fill my brows in with this, so about to go ahead and do that first. And I love how there's a spoolie on the other side of the pencil because it makes it easy to brush them out first. Now I just go in and outline my brows and then fill them all in. So just like that, my brows are done. I timed myself and it took exactly 2 minutes to do. Now I want to clean them up because I feel like although we want to look, natural and just, effortless, I still want my brows to look clean. So I'm going to take a little bit, just a smidget of the LA Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan and just clean up the bottom of my brows. So I just put a little bit of the concealer on this flat brush here. And I'm just gonna go in and clean up the very bottom arch of my brow. As you guys can see, I don't apply much product because it's a lot easier and a lot quicker to blend it all out whenever you don't have much product under your brows. So I just apply a very thin, light layer of concealer. Now, typically I would add a primer, but because the moisturizer that I did use is a mattifying but also moisturizing moisturizer, I am going to skip out on primer. I feel like whenever I do too much primer and just too much mattifying to my skin, the makeup starts to look a little bit too dry under my eyes, looks a little bit too cakey. So I'm skipping out on that and I'm moving on to just foundation and concealer. First thing I like to do with my face is apply my concealer first, and then I'll apply foundation, and you guys will see why in a second. But for my foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer in the shade Golden. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that and apply it right under my eyes to help brighten these areas up. So now I'm going to take a foundation brush. I'm just using the Real Techniques foundation brush and blend that out. This concealer to me blends out so much better with a brush than with the Beauty Blender. So I have been using this so much more lately. As you guys can see, my skin already looks a lot brighter and more awake because I did go in and add that highlighting concealer. But I do want to go in and add like a drop of foundation to kind of help balance out the brighter concealer with my actual skin. So I'm going to take like 1 dot of the Maybelline Fit Me 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Toffee Caramel. I'm going to put a dot on my finger. That's that. And then put a dot right here, dot right there, a dot right here around. So there's literally like no foundation really at all. And then I'm gonna go in and brush that out with my foundation brush. And this kind of helps you just balance out my skin tone so it doesn't look so like awkward with it just being bright concealer and then flat everywhere else. So that's why I go in with the concealer first, is because it helps me to not apply too much foundation. If I did it the opposite way and put foundation on first and then concealer, I would have a lot on my face. And I have been hating the feeling of having so much makeup on my face lately. So this helps me to keep it balanced and it still looks very, very, very natural. So we have the concealer and foundation done. Now I want to go in and just quickly set my under eyes. So I'll be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Because this is a much more natural, realistic, everyday look, I'm not doing any contouring and things like that because we don't need all of that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of bronzer. I'll be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep and just bronzing my skin to kind of help bring back some warmth. But that's all, no contouring at all today. I also like to apply a little bit of bronzer to my eyelids. So I would just quickly brush that on. My mascara of choice for today is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. My mascara is done. I did both my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Rum just to add a hint of highlight. Nothing dramatic at all. So I'm just applying it to my finger and then brushing it where it goes. Put a little bit on my lips to kind of help give a bit of shimmer. All right, and all I have to do now is just top off this look with a bit of gloss. So I'll be taking my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is hands down my favorite gloss to wear on an everyday basis because it looks so natural. I love it. That is it. That is my super quick, super easy, and natural makeup look. I actually did this makeup look on my trip to Cancun a week ago, and you guys asked for a video on how I achieved my no makeup look, and this was it. I told you guys in the comments that it was super easy, so hope you guys felt that it was easy. I really like this look because my skin still looks like skin and still feels like skin. I feel like I have no makeup on my face at all, and because it is getting so hot outside, we all want a look that it requires very minimal effort and very minimal makeup. So I feel like this look is definitely a winner and it's great for especially this time of the year. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And you guys, as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.